Welcome to the topic Udyam registration. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify the key features and benefits of Udyam platform. Use Udyam platform to increase business. History of Udyam registration. On 1st July 2020, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME) launched the Udyam registration portal as a replacement for Udyog Aadhaar. This new system aimed to streamline the registration process further by making it entirely online and paperless, enhancing accessibility for entrepreneurs. Key features of Udyam registration. Udyam registration number, URN. Digital and self-declaration process. Integration with government databases. Permanent registration. Udyam registration number, URN. Companies which register online can quickly get their unique Udyam registration number, URN, which is essential for accessing various incentives, subsidies, and support services. Digital and self-declaration process. Udyam registration is free and requires no physical documentation. It operates on a self-declaration basis, allowing entrepreneurs to register their businesses easily through the online portal. Integration with government databases. The portal is integrated with various government databases, including those of the Income Tax Department and GST network. This ensures that information regarding investment and turnover is automatically fetched from official records. Permanent registration. Once registered, MSMEs do not need to renew their registration. The Udyam registration certificate issued is valid as long as the enterprise remains operational. Enterprises registered on Udyam, this data was recorded on 3rd March 2025. Total registration 3,46,47,778. Informal Micro Enterprises (IME) in the Udyam ecosystem. Udyam Assist Platform. Registration statistics. Benefits of registration. Eligibility criteria. Udyam Assist Platform. Launched on 11 January 2023, the Udyam Assist platform allows IMEs to register and obtain an Udyam Assist certificate. This initiative aims to facilitate the formalization of these enterprises, enabling them to access various government benefits. Registration statistics. As of recent reports, over 1.5 crore IMEs have registered on this platform since its inception, highlighting a significant move towards formalizing informal businesses within the MSME sector. Benefits of registration. The Udyam Assist certificate is treated on par with the Udyam registration certificate for availing benefits such as priority sector lending. This classification allows these enterprises to access financial support and government schemes designed for MSMEs. Eligibility criteria. To register as an IME, businesses do not need a GST number, making it easier for informal enterprises to transition into the formal economy. How is SIDBI and Udyam registration connected? Udyam Assist Platform. SIDBI's role. Data collection. Support services. Udyam Assist Platform, UAP, is an initiative by the Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, aimed at formalizing informal micro enterprises, IMEs, in India. SIDBI's role. SIDBI has been authorized as the implementing agency, IA, for developing the Udyam Assist platform, UAP. This platform assists in the registration process and provides support services to MSMEs. Data collection. SIDBI is also tasked with collecting and utilizing data from informal micro enterprises, which includes information from designated agencies to streamline the registration process. Support services. The Udyam initiative offers various support services aimed at enhancing the operational capabilities of MSMEs. This includes access to credit, guidance on financial management, and information about government schemes. Advantages of Udyam registration. Promotes financial inclusion. Empowers entrepreneurs. Stimulates economic growth. Simplified process. Assistance from designated agencies. Priority sector lending, PSL. Increased creditworthiness. Comprehensive data gathering. Targeted support initiatives. Access to subsidies and grants. Integration into digital ecosystems. Training and resources. Promotes financial inclusion. By facilitating registration, Udyam helps informal businesses transition into the formal sector, making them eligible for government support and financial services. Empowers entrepreneurs. The initiative empowers small business owners by providing them with essential tools and resources to grow their enterprises. Stimulates economic growth. Supporting MSMEs contributes significantly to job creation and economic development in rural and urban areas alike. Simplified process. UAP allows IMEs to register without the need for extensive documentation, which many informal businesses may lack, such as a permanent account number, PAN, or Goods and Services Tax Identification Number, GSTIN. Assistance from designated agencies. The platform collaborates with banks, non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, and microfinance institutions, MFIs, to assist IMEs in the registration process, making it easier for them to formalize their business status. Priority sector lending, PSL. The certificates issued through UAP are treated on par with Udyam registration certificates, allowing registered IMEs to access benefits under PSL, which facilitates easier access to credit from banks. Increased creditworthiness. By formalizing their status through UAP, IMEs enhance their credibility and ability to secure loans and financial support from various institutions. Comprehensive data gathering. SIDBI collects data on IMEs, including Aadhaar information, which helps in understanding the landscape of informal enterprises and tailoring support services accordingly. Targeted support initiatives. The data collected can be used to design targeted financial products and services that meet the specific needs of these enterprises. Access to subsidies and grants. Registered IMEs can benefit from various government schemes aimed at promoting entrepreneurship, skill development, and financial assistance. Integration into digital ecosystems. Future phases of the UAP aim to connect registered IMEs with digital platforms for e-commerce, skill development, and other financial services. Training and resources. The platform may also facilitate access to training programs that enhance the skills of entrepreneurs in managing their businesses effectively. Story of Anita and building pathways with Udyam. Anita passed her BTech in computer science from a government college in Uttarakhand. She could not take a job on campus as she is the only child and wanted to be close to her parents who are farmers in the state of Uttarakhand. Anita sets up a small company building software solutions for medium enterprises in Dehradun. Recognizing the need for formal recognition, Anita decided to register under the Udyam framework. The process was straightforward and entirely online, requiring only their Aadhaar and PAN details. Within a short time, they received their Udyam registration certificate, which included a dynamic QR code for easy verification. Access to government tenders. Financial support. The registration also made her eligible for various government schemes aimed at MSMEs, including priority sector lending from banks. Increased revenue. As a result of winning government contracts and improving their operational capacity, Anita's company saw a significant boost in revenue. How to register on Udyam? Udyam Registration Portal, URL udyamregistration.gov.in. This is the official government portal for registering micro, small, and medium enterprises (MSMEs) in India. The registration process is completely online, free of cost, and paperless. It provides a seamless experience for entrepreneurs to register their businesses and access various government schemes. Documents necessary for registration: Aadhaar number, PAN card, bank account details, business address proof, details of business activities, social category certificate, if applicable, additional information. Documents necessary for registration: Aadhaar number, mandatory for all applicants. For proprietorships, the Aadhaar number of the owner is required. For partnerships, the Aadhaar number of the managing partner is needed. In the case of a Hindu undivided family, HUF, the Aadhaar number of the Karta is necessary. PAN card. The permanent account number, PAN, is required to identify the business entity. GSTIN, if applicable, businesses that are registered under GST must provide their GST identification number. Bank account details. Information about the bank account where business transactions will occur. Business address proof. This can include utility bills, rental agreements, or any official document that verifies the business address. Details of business activities. Information about the type of enterprise, example, manufacturing, service provider, and the nature of business activities. Social category certificate, if applicable. This may be required to indicate if the entrepreneur belongs to a specific social category for availing certain benefits. Additional information. The registration process is entirely online and free of charge. It is essential to ensure that all documents are accurate and up to date to avoid any issues during registration. After successful registration, entrepreneurs receive an e-certificate with a unique Udyam registration number, EARN, and a QR code for verification purposes. By preparing these documents in advance, entrepreneurs can streamline their Udyam registration process and access various government benefits designed to support MSMEs. Thank you.